As an effective form of narrative visualization, visual data stories are widely used in data-driven storytelling to communicate complex insights and support data understanding. To create data stories, one requires a variety of interdisciplinary skills, such as data analysis and design. To lower the technique barrier, we introduce a cooperative data story editing system, Erato, which allows users to generate insightful and fluid data stories together with the machine. The system leverages a novel interpolation algorithm to help users insert intermediate frames to smooth the transition between keyframes. Erato system consists of three major components: the fact embedder, the interpolator, and the story editor. The fact embedder employs a BERT-based deep embedding model fine-tuned on a novel loss function to project data facts into a vector space in which logically related data facts are lined up, so that a linear interpolation can be correctly calculated in the vector space. The interpolator is designed to interpolate between a selected pair of keyframes in the vector space. It uses the Monte Carlo tree to search the fact space and expands the corresponding nodes. Each fact in the searching path has its own expected vector position in the desired interpolation path. And then the actual searching path with the largest reward is selected. The algorithm ends at a point until the current node is close enough to the target node's vector. Finally, the nodes in the selected searching path are used to make a match with the midpoints, and the ones that are closest to the midpoints are taken as the interpolation results. The story editor supports interactive editing functions, where users can freely create a data story by first simply adding and arranging some keyframes into a storyline, and then interpolate between them to generate meaningful story content. In this video, we demonstrate the process of creating a data story using Erato, a spreadsheet containing records of 356 Disney movies from 1937 to 2021 is used in our demo. Each movie is described from 9 criteria. We upload the data into Erato and set the keyframes according to our favor. We can add a fact through dragging a recommended fact from the right panel or by configuring an empty fact. Each fact can be edited freely and independently. We can also use the redo and undo functions to change our operations. After finishing editing the keyframes and selecting the number of inserts, we click the interpolation button to smooth out the keyframes. The result is displayed in the storyline view, where we can edit the captions. The whole story created based on the aforementioned dataset contains 6 facts, including 3 keyframes and 3 corresponding interpolated facts. It interpolates the fact of the average annual box office between the number of films released each year and the ranking of films. After that, it shows the box office share of the most popular movie, The Lion King, and its rating on IMDb. We can draw a conclusion at the end that the IMDb rating is positively correlated with the box office. Erato provides 3 visual presentations to help display the data story on different devices and fills the gap between manual story authoring and automatic story generation. Now the system is available. Have fun by working with the machine and enjoy yourself.